Hey there, holiday decorators. Today we're diving into the cozy and charming world of farmhouse Christmas decorations. If you're looking to create a warm, welcoming, and nostalgic atmosphere in your home this holiday season, farmhouse style might just be the perfect fit for you. Stick around as we explore some fabulous ideas, tips, and the benefits of embracing this rustic yet chic aesthetic. First off, let's talk about the essence of farmhouse Christmas decor. It's all about blending rustic elements with a touch of elegance, creating a space that feels both timeless and inviting. Think about incorporating natural materials, vintage pieces, and a neutral color palette accented with festive reds, greens, and metallics. The goal is to create a look that's cozy, comfortable, and filled with character. One of the best places to start is with your Christmas tree. A farmhouse-style tree often features a mix of handmade ornaments, natural elements like pine cones and berries, and simple, classic decorations. Consider using burlap or plaid ribbon as garland, and wooden ornaments for that rustic touch. You can also add some personal flair with DIY ornaments made from twine, fabric scraps, or even salt dough. A galvanized metal tree collar or a vintage-style tree skirt will complete the look perfectly. Moving on to other areas of your home, let's talk about your mantle or fireplace. This is a prime spot to showcase your farmhouse Christmas decor. Start with a garland made of fresh greenery, or opt for a realistic faux version if you want something low maintenance. Add in some twinkle lights, pine cones, and berries for a pop of color. Stockings are a must, and you can find or make ones in materials like burlap, knit, or linen for that farmhouse feel. To finish off the look, place a few lanterns or vintage candle holders on the mantle, and maybe a wooden sign with a festive phrase like Merry Christmas or Joy to the World. Your dining table is another great area to infuse with farmhouse charm. Start with a simple, neutral tablecloth or a burlap runner. For your centerpiece, think about using a wooden tray or a galvanized bucket filled with greenery, candles, and pine cones. Mason jars can serve as rustic vases for fresh or faux flowers, and you can even use them as candle holders. For place settings, consider using simple white or cream-colored dishes, paired with plaid or gingham napkins. Tie the napkins with twine or a piece of greenery for an extra special touch. When it comes to the rest of your living space, think about how you can incorporate farmhouse elements throughout. Cozy throw blankets and pillows in festive patterns and colors can make your space feel warm and inviting. Look for pieces with textures like knit, plaid, or faux fur. Adding a few rustic signs or wall art pieces with holiday messages can also enhance the farmhouse feel. Don't forget about small touches like wooden or metal trays on your coffee table, filled with candles, pine cones, and seasonal greenery. Now let's chat about some of the advantages and benefits of choosing farmhouse Christmas decor. One of the biggest perks is the timeless appeal. Farmhouse style is classic and enduring, which means you can reuse many of your decorations year after year without them feeling outdated. This can save you money in the long run, and also allows you to build a collection of pieces that have sentimental value. Another benefit is the DIY aspect. Farmhouse decor often incorporates handmade elements, which means you can get creative and make some of your decorations. This not only adds a personal touch to your home, but can also be a fun activity to do with family and friends. Plus, DIY projects can be budget-friendly, allowing you to create beautiful decor without breaking the bank. The farmhouse style also emphasizes the use of natural materials and sustainable practices. By incorporating elements like wood, metal, and natural greenery, you're choosing decor that's environmentally friendly. Additionally, vintage and repurposed items are often a key part of farmhouse decor, which promotes recycling and reduces waste. One delightful way to enhance your farmhouse Christmas vibe is by focusing on the entryway of your home. This is the first impression guests will have when they walk in, so let's make it count. Consider hanging a lush, greenery-filled wreath on your front door, perhaps with accents of berries, pine cones, and a simple plaid bow. For an extra touch, you can place a wooden crate or a vintage sled next to the door, adorned with a cozy blanket, some firewood, and a lantern. A welcome mat with a festive message or design can also add a warm, inviting touch to your entryway. Next, think about how you can extend the farmhouse charm to your kitchen. The kitchen is often the heart of the home, especially during the holidays, so let's make it festive. Swap out your regular dish towels and pot holders for ones with Christmas-themed patterns or colors. You can display a few holiday-themed mugs or cookie jars on open shelves or countertops. If you have a kitchen island, consider a centerpiece with a wooden tray filled with greenery, candles, and maybe a few ornaments. A small wreath or swag on a cabinet door can also add a lovely touch. Another fantastic idea is to create a cozy reading nook or a small seating area with farmhouse flair. This could be a great spot for relaxing with a cup of hot cocoa or reading a Christmas story with your kids. Use a comfortable armchair or a bench with plenty of throw pillows in holiday colors and patterns. A small side table can hold a mug of cocoa, a candle, and a few small decorations like a mini Christmas tree or a bowl of ornaments. Adding a cozy throw blanket will make this space extra inviting. If you're looking to add some farmhouse charm to your outdoor space, consider using natural elements and simple decorations. String lights are a classic choice and can make any space feel magical. Wrap them around porch railings, trees, or even along the roofline. For a rustic touch, you can use galvanized buckets or wooden crates filled with greenery, pine cones, and ornaments. Adding a few lanterns or large candles in hurricane vases can also create a warm, welcoming glow. Don't forget about your outdoor furniture. A few festive pillows or a cozy throw blanket can make your porch or patio feel like an extension of your indoor space. One of the best things about farmhouse Christmas decor is its versatility. You can easily mix and match pieces to create a look that's uniquely yours. Vintage finds, handmade items, and even a few store-bought pieces can all come together beautifully. The key is to keep things simple and cohesive, focusing on natural materials, neutral colors, and a few well-chosen accents. When it comes to finding the perfect pieces for your farmhouse Christmas decor, don't be afraid to think outside the box. Flea markets, thrift stores, and even your own attic can be treasure troves of vintage items that can be repurposed or updated. A little bit of paint, some twine, and a touch of creativity can transform old items into charming decor. For example, old wooden shutters can become a backdrop for a wreath, or an old ladder can be used to display blankets and holiday cards. Another great tip is to incorporate elements that have personal meaning to you and your family. This could be heirloom ornaments, handmade crafts, or even photos of past Christmases. These personal touches not only add to the charm of your decor, but also create a sense of nostalgia and warmth that's perfect for the holiday season. And let's not forget about the importance of scent in creating a festive atmosphere. Candles, potpourri, and essential oil diffusers with scents like pine, cinnamon, and clove can make your home smell as cozy and inviting as it looks. Placing a few scented candles in key areas like the living room, kitchen, and bathroom can enhance the overall ambience and make your space feel even more magical. As we wrap up this deep dive into farmhouse Christmas decor, remember that the most important thing is to create a space that feels warm, welcoming, and filled with joy. The holiday season is all about spending time with loved ones, making memories, and celebrating the things that matter most. Whether you go all out with your decorations or just add a few simple touches, the goal is to create an environment where everyone feels at home.